confirm with the lawyer without,
No.
what's going on?
No.
Are you confirmed with the attorney without the prosecutor,
No.
without me?
Okay.
Is there anything that I need to hear? Huh? Is there?
No. Seems to be no more questions.
No, well. No, I don't have any more witnesses. And, now, the prosecution rests.
Defense. It's all
Yes.
yours.
Okay, the prosecution is rest. Okay.
Your Honor, I have one more question.
Really? The prosecution just rests?
It's my partner.
So one of the prosecutors have rest. Okay. You know, I can't read those. Oh,
I already closed.
yeah, but that's what I was, that's what I was saying. Okay, oh, you working with me? The judge is working with me, how beautiful. Okay, well, since the prosecutors have rest, and they've agreed upon it, now, Cora, I know this is very hard for you. I know that, you and Jesse had a very long relationship, and so, you know, I sympathize with your hurt, what you're experiencing right about now. Now, can you tell the courtroom how long you worked with the students?
I worked with them for about 20 years.
20 years. So that's, you've seen both kids grow up, and you've seen a lot of ins and out of the households. You know the relationships of the parents with the children and all that good stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when Jessie told you she was pregnant, what was your reaction?
I would say my reaction was scared for her.
Okay.
I knew that her mother would not be very happy in her pregnancy, and I was scared for her.
Now, so, did Jessie tell the mother, Mrs. Studevant, or did you tell the mother she was pregnant?
I told her mother.
Okay, so, and why did you tell the mother?
Jessie asked me that to tell her mother because she was scared too.
Okay, so now, with that being said, how often would Jessie tell you to speak with the mother if there was a situation going on, or, you know, she was afraid to tell the mother, or how often would she tell her that?
Quite often she would have me tell her mother things that she couldn't tell her mother herself.
Now, what was Mrs. Studevant's reaction, Ms. Jenkins, when you told her Jessie was pregnant?
She was angry.
Really? Oh, wow. So, I mean, what happened? Did she curse, or did she hit her, or did she say any negative things to Jessie? What did she actually, what was her true reaction?
She did a lot of yelling at Jessie. She told Jessie that she didn't want her to have this baby with the gentleman that she had gotten pregnant by, because he was, in her terms, an immigrant, because he was a different
So in other words, Ms. Studevant may have been discriminating against.
Objection.
You've rest your case. How can you object?
It's a hearsay. He's objecting to hearsay.
No.
Yeah, he's objecting to hearsay. You can't place the words of one person saying this or that. That's his
Well, I
objection.
am, Your Honor. I am.
He's objecting on total speculation.
Yeah.
This is total speculation, this question.
This is not total speculation.
Yes, it is, because
It's
we don't.
just like the fact when he
Overruled.
said, when the prosecutor brought up my client's baby, who
No.
had passed years ago.
That-
And for some reason, you
that was
thought that
to-
that was
That
relevant.
is relevant,
You
because
said-
now we
how
have
is
two
that
deaths.
relevant?
Okay,
How was that relevant?
Cora's
How
neg-
was it
negligent.
relevant?
this is my room.
She's negligent.
That's your problem, okay. Okay, so strike that, okay. Strike that.
Stricken.
Okay. So how soon thereafter did Ms. Studevant talk about she was, well, did Ms. Studevant call the doctor? Did she call the doctor to check Jessie out, to make sure she was pregnant, or what happened?
I know that she did call a doctor.
Okay.
They were outside speaking to each other and did pretty quite do on Thursday. But I knew it had something to do with the pregnancy.
So now tell me this, once the doctor left, did the doctor say anything to you?
No, he did not.
He just left.
He just left.
Now, how soon thereafter, because from information and evidence, was that Mrs. Studevant took Jessie on a trip. Now, how soon thereafter, when Mrs. Studevant spoke to the doctor, did they go on the trip? Or what type of trip was this supposed to have been?
I would say that it was about a few days after the doctor
Okay.
came by, that Ms. Studevant informed me that they were going on a trip to Kansas. It was, what I was told was supposed to be a shopping trip for Jessie.
And how did Jessie feel about going on a trip with her mother?
She was excited,
Really?
yes, they didn't really spend a lot of time together, so she
Okay.
thought that this would be a bonding,
Okay.
type of bonding trip.
So was
Objection.
my
It's
client,
speculation.
it's not speculation,
It's
well, my
only
client has been in the house.
Was she a
So-
mind reader?
My client has
Is
been
she
in the
mind
house.
reader?
What do you mean mind reading? It wasn't a mind
She
read.
doesn't know if Jessie wanted to go.
Did Jessie, okay, let me rephrase this. Did Jessie
Hearsay.
did you have an opportunity
Hearsay.
to speak with Jessie
Hearsay.
on going on the trip? How is that hearsay?
That's hearsay.
How is it
We don't-
hearsay?
we don't have
Tell
Jessie
me
here
how
to
is
answer
it-
it.
Of course you don't, because she's dead. How
Why-
can you
why
be
she
so desensitized?
Why is she dead?
Huh?
Why is she dead?
Probably because you was there.
No. No. Contempt.
I have a feeling. I have a feeling.
It was a gavel.
Okay. I know. Sometimes some people can be so, uncivil. And that's the judge, okay? But that's okay. We're gonna get through this.
I find it very ironic, two people she watched her dead.
And that's the judge, okay? I don't know whether he's the attorney or he's the judge, I don't know. But, back to my question, to my client. Is that okay? Is that
Yep,
okay, Your
yep,
Honor?
Yep.
Without, okay, thank you. Okay, so, as I was saying, now you stated that the doctor came by, he didn't speak any, didn't say anything to you, he just left. And soon thereafter, Mrs. Studevant and Jessie went on a supposedly shopping trip.
Yes.
Now, how long was that supposedly shopping trip before they returned home?
It was roughly 3 days.
Okay. Now, when they came back, did you greet them as they came back? How was Jessie? Did you have a chance to speak with Jessie when they came back?
I didn't get a chance to speak with Jessie. She didn't look like she was feeling very well.
Okay. So when they returned from that shopping trip, Jessie was taken in the house and you didn't have any interaction with her?
No. Mrs. Studevant told me that Jessie wasn't feeling well and that they were gonna take her up to her room